Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you enable the Walkie option in the AtlasNavi application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see a settings symbol. Press on it and in this page you will be able to find the settings as well. Press on that. And you can see here under the AtlasNavi category the second option, which is enable walkie-talkie. Now all you have to do to enable it, just press on it and you can see that now the option is enabled. And if you want to deactivate it once again, you should just press on it and you can see that now is deactivated again. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.